Hi viewers! In this video, I will show you how to compress the size of a PDF file. Let's follow these simple steps. First, open your web browser. In the Google search box, type Compress PDF File, then press Enter. You will see multiple search results. Find and open the I Love PDF website. Next, click on the Select PDF File button and choose the PDF file you want to compress. After the file is uploaded, click on the Compress PDF button. The compression process will begin. Please wait a few moments. Once the compression is complete, you can see that the file size has been reduced. For example, it is now only 1.3 megabytes. Finally, click on the Download button to save the compressed PDF file to your computer. That's it! Your PDF file is now smaller and ready to use. Thanks for watching!